Alright, so we're here, but my bike has already gone in. We've been here for a couple of hours now. Had some breakfast, looked around at the bike, so we know what's here and what's not. Unfortunately, the one bike that I came here to see, the Ninja H2, is not here. I'm actually so sad I wanted to cry. But let's go inside and check out what is here. You're rolling. First things first, unfortunately what you see is I don't know what that is, that Vespa or something. Don't worry about that. 6K the audacity. Hello again. I think around here it's just more scooters. This is like more blazers kind of thing, but there's some really nice bikes around here. All Aprilias, 210s, RSV4s, RS125s. I think this right here is a 210 660 factory. That goes hard. We're not here for that, we're here for the two big boys. An RSV4 and an RSV4 factory. These are like proper race bike spec. I don't know, man, there's something about these that screams bare bones race bike, even though it's got all the electronics. It's kind of mad. Would you ride one of these proper big bikes? Would you ride that? That's a 125. I don't know, man, this one comes with, I don't know if this comes off or not, but it looks different to this, or maybe it's just the colour, I don't know. Even has a little battery tender here, I love that. This is obviously blazer section with the Vespas, 50s, 125s, 100s. Is that your thing, yeah? Is that your kind of thing, yeah? Are you sure? You look comfortable on that still. Go and sit on it. He's not claiming them bikes there. And that's just this bit. Let's check out the main section. It's like a bike heaven in here. Everywhere you look, left, right, on the walls, upstairs. Let's start over here, because there's not quite H2 territory, but almost. I think these are ZH2s. This is the closest we're getting. In fact, no, this Ninja H2 SX is the closest we're getting to H2 today. So we'll come right to it first. That paint job, oh my god, look at that, so sparkly. Actually touching H2 low-key. Obviously I think this is brand new because it's still got all the plastics on it. It's keyless as well. I had no idea. Keyless, bro. But this is going to run you 21k with a £99 admin fee. Madness. No one saw that. Just put that back. Don't watch that. Anyway, we got, what are these? Versys 1000s, more big boy bikes. I'm actually too small to sit on these. I could not reach the floor. If I sat on these, I'm like 5'5". Ninja 650s, we don't worry about these. These are small boy bikes. Huh? Z900 RS is more blazers kind of thing. There's no price on it though, which is kind of weird. Even this one, no price on it. I don't know why. For free, I wish. This is Z900 as well. Z650 RS. These are like more cafe racer kind of bikes. But I know Blaze fucks with those as well. 650s, we don't talk about those. ZX10Rs, now these are more my speed. This, if I hadn't been insured for this, I would have bought this instead of the ZX6R, and that's just facts. Even though the ZX6R is my dream bike, this, we'll leave it there. I haven't seen any new styles ZX6Rs, so ZX10Rs. That the only one they have upstairs is a race bike for the track, so that's unfortunate. Got fire blades. I don't know why there's Hondas in the Kawasaki store, but it is what it is. I'm bare hot in this master. Can't believe I'm touching these bikes, bro. I see all these bikes on TV, on YouTube. That's mad. Before I even pass my test, you're lucky to be here, fam. I don't think you understand how lucky you are to be here, fam.
For me?
Yeah, you fam.
You're lucky.
You better touch this bike while you can. Oh, Blaze, are you seeing this, big man?
What's this?
I keep seeing all the bikes that he likes. It's one of Blaze's dream bikes, Ducati Diavolt. It's a bad boy bike, bro. It's a bad boy bike. This will smoke everything. And it sounds, with a good exhaust, it sounds chef's kiss. I don't know about what this is. I kind of know what this is. It's an R12. Oh shit, can I squeeze in here? Huh? What? This or that? No one saw that. Shh, shh, shh. Shh. This one. R1200, bro. This is a big boy bike, fam. This ain't for London. This ain't for London, fam. You can't foot with this. This is mad. I reckon I wouldn't be able to touch the floor with this either. 5? Is that it? Apparently this only costs 5 grand, bro. That's crazy. It's got speakers and everything, bro. It's got speakers. Play music on that.
It'll be fair loud.
Yeah. Out on the streets, chilling. Get me, bopping your head to the... Ah, you get me. Over here, we know where it is with the bad boy Ducatis, 1299 Panigales. This one with the carbon fibre, you already know that's probably like a couple grand already on that alone. So imagine how much the bike is cost themselves, brand new. How much do you reckon these are brand new? Like 15, 20? These are used, fam, and they're 14 and 12. That's mad. One day I aspire to be on something like this, which takes me to the next best thing. If you can't get a Ducati, what do you get? An MV Augusta MCL7 R125. Don't worry about those. MV Augusta, preferably I like the F4s, but F3 just as good. Okay, I need one of these. I really do need one of these. I'm not a big fan of the screens on MV Augustas, but the bikes themselves are a masterpiece. You know how it goes. Single swing dreams always. I stopped dropping them, man. What's wrong with you? Pick that up, fam. This video's gonna be me dropping these things, bro. I swear to God. How you do this? There you go. There you go. KTM RC8s. Another bike I'm not really a fan of. They look alright. They sound kind of dead. But I heard they ride kind of nice, so I guess that's that. Another big boy, the 1290 Super Duke. Wheelie monsters, fun monsters, all around. If you're looking for a bike to have a good time on, this is the one. So they say. There's one bike in here that I haven't had a look at yet. Something every, let's say, squid boy should have at least once in their life. No, it's not this Blackbird, although this is beautiful. Let's go see it. It's a 600. It sounds like it, innit? It's this Suzuki Hayabusa. This right here. I can't believe I'm touching one. Man, I'm touching one. There's so many people around and I'm touching it. This is amazing. Every time I see this dash, I think of being on the motorway, seeing it go all the way around. That's mad. I don't know how anyone could own one of these in London. Look how massive it is from the back. Jeez. we'll take it upstairs real quick. We'll take it upstairs, yeah? Some Harley Davidsons right here. Not too bad. Not really my style, but I like to experience one day. And like I said before, there's bikes everywhere, including up here. There's a whole new selection. We thought this was a lot of around here. There's a whole new selection over there. You're right. Look at this. There's so bro, can we even get over here? Let's start on this side of the room. Tons of Royal Enfields. All these kind of well, let's ignore those. Himalayan, what's that? Royal Enfield Himalayan, never heard of it, but it looks kind of cool. It looks kind of cool. I fuck with it. All these Himalayans, Interceptors. Royal Enfield's like one of them companies, you never really see them around, but when you do, they always look nice. Would you believe if I told you this is a 125? It's a 125. The Keyway, I think super light? Is it super light? Yeah, it is the super light. How much would that one you? 2.7.
Even 125.
This is a 125. All these are 125s, I think. That's mad. I know, trust me. What's this? This ain't a 125. No, this ain't a 125. This definitely ain't no 125. This Benelli 502. If this was had a single swing arm, it would be so sick. But this thing kind of ruins it, I'm not gonna lie. But this is Benelli have made a nice little bike here. I like this, I'm a fan of this. Fuck the scooters. Don't care about those. I don't know if we're allowed in here still. There's still no one here. Oh, there is one person here. Like I said, this is a ZX10 track bike. It's the only one I've seen, but it's like in bits. And then there's a Ducati, maybe? Yeah, it's a Ducati. I don't know what though. Single swing on. Oh, look at this system. Oh, what the fuck? That's insane. Yo, who made this? This must be custom, right? This has to be custom. That is crazy. I think titanium. And then this RFM, maybe? Two of them. That's insane. Someone really enjoyed that bike. And then I think this is another 10. Another... what was it, 6? This is a 6. This one. Oh yeah.
Oh. My bad.
Is that it, or is there any more bikes? Which one? Which one? Which one? Oh, that's like that one that we saw downstairs. That big one. Same kind of bike. Trust me. Just here. Finish up over here on this side. The only scooter I kind of rate, the Suzuki Bergman. That big boy. I don't think I could ever have one of these. It's so big. It's a 400, AN 400. And then there's this. What is this? A J300. That's mad. Very mad. Coming over here, we've got another KTM. Forget about the scooter in the corner. 990 Supermoto. Can you really call this a supermoto? I don't know, man. This is mad. This is mad. I don't know if this can be classed as a supermoto. Look at it. A 990. That's a monster. And I bet it's really light as well, so it lifts. Man. I'm just so sad there's no H2. But anyway, this concludes this section. We're gonna be done soon. We're gonna get back on the road. You ready for that? Hopefully there's not bare traffic, and I'll see you in a mo. Love.